Yes, so ma'am, good afternoon.
Yeah, very good afternoon, ma'am. How are you doing?
I am doing great. Thank you so much for asking. And how are you?
Yeah, I'm also doing well, and thanks for you asking. So, firstly,
Okay.
Rashmi, as I know your name is Rashmi, so may I know more about you?
Okay, sure. Why not? Yeah, I would like to thank you so much for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself. As you know, my name is Rasmi Rajput. I am calling to you from Aligarh city, which is in
Okay,
Uttar Pradesh state. If I talk about my, oh, what happened?
no,
Sorry for that.
no issue, no issue. Hmm. Yeah,
So,
continue.
if if I talk about my family, there are six members in my family, including me. I am mother of two kids. I am a homemaker. Simultaneously, I am a running YouTube channel, English with Rasmi Rajput. If
Okay,
I talk about my qualification, I have done my graduation from Agra University. In these days, I am working on my communication skills. You know, communication skills is very, very important for personal life and professional life. If I talk about my hobbies, I love cooking, teaching, and sometimes traveling and connecting with the different people. These are my hobbies. That's all about me. Thank you.
okay, wow, great. So, first of all, I would like to salute you because you are learning this language and there is
Thank
no
you so much.
environment surrounding. So, yeah, I really appreciate your words. So, Rajni, do I
Thank you
need to
so much.
introduce myself?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. So I'm Anjali Giri from Haryana, and about my education, so I have done my B.Ed, and simultaneously I have cleared my TET exams, which is related to teaching eligibility tests like CTET, UPTET, Haryana TET. And
Okay.
nowadays I'm giving classes to beginner and intermediate level students, and I teach English, and yeah, I'm married and blessed with one kid. Yeah, that's all about it.
Oh, very good. Your interaction really good. So, are you teacher, right?
Yeah, I'm a teacher.
You teach in school and other coaching center.
Okay, so before
School.
this, I was a teacher. Yeah, I used to teach in a school, but now I'm giving online classes.
Oh, online. Very good. Nice, nice.
Mhm. I see.
Okay.
So I have prepared handful of questions for you. So may I ask if you don't mind?
Sorry.
Yeah. May I ask a few questions to you if you don't mind?
O- Okay, you
Mhm.
can ask me. Don't worry. Yeah, you can ask
Okay,
me.
thanks.
No issue.
So as we know in our society, we face a lot of issues while facing our social and criticism. So, what do you think about society judgment? And should we follow our rules, which is following in our society, or should we try to change it?
Okay, okay. Yeah. I'm from village. So right now I am facing a lot of difficulties. I
Yeah.
wear the sari all time, and but my family is very nice family. Really, all family members, my in-law family members, all very good person. Not any is me problem. No any problem. You bhavi, yeah, my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, not problem. So my husband always supports me, always teach me. So that's why my husband good. So other people good. So that's
Okay.
why my yeah, my society no issue, no problem. Me.
Yeah, they are very supportive, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. They are very support. All my family is really very good. I am from village, but my husband right now my husband he is a computer teacher, so he is running computer coaching center in Asroli. I am in a small town only, small city, not a big city, small city. So only my in-law house nearby 8 kilometers far.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. So that's why I live in Atroli right now.
Okay. Wow.
But I have no issue. I have no problem really. My from my family side, no problem.
Great. So you have very supportive family. Me too. I have a supportive family. So actually we are homemakers. So we are enjoying our life. If we have a supportive and nice family, so we can live our life happily and joyfully. Otherwise,
Yeah,
we would
yeah,
not have been living it with enjoy or with joy. So one
yeah,
question
yeah.
more, Rajni. Have you ever felt embarrassment by virtue of your English in your village, in your surrounding? As you told me, your husband is a computer teacher.
Yeah. So, yeah,
So
repeat
have
again.
you ever, yeah, have you ever felt embarrassment by virtue of your English?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Your question, why are you learning? Yeah, why I am
No,
learning it, right?
I'm asking, have you ever felt embarrassment just because of your English? आपको कभी फील हुआ है कि मुझे इंग्लिश इस टाइम पर सीखनी चाहिए? आपको किसी ने शर्मिंदा किया है?
Oh, okay. Your question. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, I am very. I to be honest, I am from a village, so I have
Hmm.
done my all education Hindi medium. So,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. So I am facing a lot of difficulties. That time when I was in school, so there was no English Norvent, and there was no any English partner. So that time that time I wanted to learn English, but that's why I not want to do English. मतलब मैं नहीं सीख पाई. Yeah, not able to English. Yeah, but right now my kids are English. My kids are in English medium school. So when I go to PTM at that time, I am facing a lot of difficulties in school, feedback and form entry and talk to teachers. Only teacher English medium school, so only English speak.
Good. Question is, ma'am, from where did you get your motivation to learn this language?
Okay, yeah. My husband, my husband and my brother motivated me. Always tell me you can learn English. No, don't worry. Not difficult. You can learn English. So that's why I am learning English.
Okay. So, what tips do you want to give to beginner level students who want to learn this language? And I want to know about your journey. How many hurdles did you face, and which type of problems were you lacking?
O- Okay, okay, okay. So very well. I am from village, and I have my all study Hindi background. So that's why I am facing a lot of difficulties. To be honest, I am not much fluent in English. Right now, I am learning English, so I am facing a lot of difficulties. But when I was in school, so that time I wanted to learn this language. But that time there was no, English normal, and there was no any English partner. So that's why I am not able to English language. But now I am very excited to learn this language really because I know very well English is gives us a very respect from others people. Really, without English we cannot study proper way, and without English we cannot provide good education for our kids. Yeah,
Exactly. And if
so
you are a
that's why,
little,
and I am listen now. Sorry, just now I have been learning English for more than 2 months, and my brother and my husband every day. I have a brother, wonderful
Mhm.
brother. Really, I am very grateful. I have a wonderful brother. Every day teach me, supports me, guide me. You can learn English, sister. Don't worry. You can learn English. Yes. I am from. I am learning gradually from YouTube. I am watching a lot of English video content on YouTube, like conversation video and podcast. And I practice at home myself in front of mirror. So as much
Okay.
as possible, yeah. but I want to learn English and I want to become in English anyhow.
Okay, of
Yeah, this is my
course.
journey. Right.
Yeah, yeah. You will learn very soon, and actually, you are the inspiration for every ladies. And I thoroughly believe on you. You can learn this language very soon because you are putting your efforts. And when we put efforts into something, then we can achieve it very soon, right?
Thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah. So, ma'am, yeah, I want to know one more thing. How can I improve my communication skills and English, spoken English? How can I improve?
Okay,
Please.
just yeah, nothing you
Yeah.
have to do. You are on the right path. Which techniques you are following? Just you do follow and listen every day. Listen as much as you can, right? And if you are going to listen for 2 hours, then try to speak for 30 minutes. And if you are
Okay.
listening for 5 hours, then you are going to speak for 1 hour on daily basis. So only two things at your initial days, only you're listening and you're speaking. Yeah,
Okay.
only
Okay.
that. And
Yes,
I will not
I
say,
do. I do listening every day. Conversation video stories on YouTube. Okay, small stories. I do. Yes, every day listening, reading, and speaking. Yes.
and one technique will help you if you do shadowing technique. Have you heard about shadowing technique?
Shadowing means
Yeah, shadowing technique, that means if you watch any video, then try to imitate those people for 2 minutes only. So
okay,
it will
okay, okay,
improve your pronunciation.
okay, okay,
Okay,
okay,
so
ma'am.
only for 2 minutes. For example, we are teaching our child right from ABCD, like from
Yes.
nursery to LKG class. And if we are teaching, then we say, "Beta, mere piche bolo, repeat after me." Right? A for apple, B for ball. So we have
Okay,
to
okay,
follow same technique for improving our skill.
okay, okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, last question. It's kind of imaginary situation. If you got a chance to live your life without any foundation and without wearing sari, so how would you enjoy your that one day?
Okay, yeah. I I have no problem buying wear sari every day because I follow Indian culture. Yeah, I like very much sari really. My
Okay.
husband he likes very much sari, but I like sari really. But I like other dress like chudidar and gowns, वगैरह, suit. I like, but I wear sometimes suit. That time I go to when I go to my hometown. Yeah,
Okay.
my
Then
real
you
yeah. So yeah, yeah. So that time I wear the suit. Yeah.
Mhm.
So, but I have no problem really wear the sari. Really, I like very much. I enjoyed after wearing the
Okay.
sari. Really,
So,
I
yeah,
like
my
very
last
much Indian culture. Really.
yes. So in
Yeah.
Indian culture, we can wear our suit and salwar, right?
Yeah, हाँ सूट सलवार एंड साड़ी रियली आई मतलब I have no I no problem. Yeah,
Okay.
my husband
Don't
he
have.
likes saree, so don't have any problem. Mhm.
Okay, great. So my last question is, let's talk about YouTube. As you know, you are new face on YouTube, right? So do you really think you can become viral on YouTube, or do you really think by doing such unique things we can become viral on YouTube? And which tips do you follow to run your YouTube channel?
Telling your YouTube channel which things I use, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. To be honest, I started my YouTube channel gradually only learning purpose. I want to
Okay.
learn English anyhow, really. So because
Okay.
I thought I thought that if I start a YouTube channel, so that my ideas share other people and I give me other people's ideas. So that's why I started my YouTube channel. And I have no use anything ideas so viral. And I have this dream all YouTubers I am viral. I mean मैं viral हो जाऊं कैसे anyhow. But basically, firstly, only I want to learn English there.
Okay. Great, great. So yeah, do you have any question?
Yeah. So yeah, yeah. No, how many friends do you have who speak English?
Okay. So actually, I have a group. I have a group for females only. And if you want to join, then you can join and talk to each other. Because I have been doing my speaking practice for 1 year in that group.
Okay.
So this group helped me a lot. If you want to join, then you can tell me and you can do your
Okay.
practice with me.
You can join me.
So you
I am very excited to learn this language. Anyhow, I want to learn English really.
can, yeah, you
Okay,
can share
welcome.
your contact number here. Okay. So I will add you
My
in that.
number,
Yeah,
my
your
phone
number.
number. Okay. I text you. Okay.
Okay, okay, sure. Sure. No issue with that. So now,
Yeah,
any
yeah.
question?
So, yeah. How did you learn English? And what kind of difficulty did you face while learning English? And who
Okay,
motivated
great.
you?
Yeah, great question. As you can see on my channel, so I was at zero level like you. I was facing many issues. I was underconfident. I was nervous when I started doing my channel or learning this language. So difficulties, I'm not saying I was at zero level, like I didn't know any sentences. So I was facing some kind of thought issues because I used to speak this language for 7 to 8 hours on daily basis. And about my grammar, so I made a lot of mistakes. So by from my mistake, I'm learning this language. Yeah, and I started teaching the people from different states. So that helped me a lot to boost my confidence up or to meet with different people, how to interact with people, how to express my thoughts in good way, in better way. So that's what I help.
Okay. So, yeah, I want to know one more thing. When did you start your YouTube channel?
Okay, so it's been 1 year too.
Okay, very good. So, your YouTube channel already monetized, right?
Yeah,
I
now it got
I follow
monetized.
you. I
Oh,
follow you already.
it's my pleasure.
Yeah, I saw your video every day. Really,
Great
last
deal.
video I saw your last video.
Okay, okay, no
Yadu,
issue.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you
I
can
saw.
learn. Yeah, you can learn from my videos, from everyone's video. And if you want any kind of help, then please let me know. I will be always ready for helping you.
Thank you
Okay.
so much. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Really, I am
Rashmi.
very excited. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Bye.
It
Nice
was
to
my
meet you. I am really very happy after connecting with you.
it's my pleasure.
It's my pleasure.